Okay, today we're going to be going over a duopoly problem. In this problem, we're given a graph giving us the marginal revenue and demand curve faced by each firm in the duopoly industry individually, as well as the combined marginal revenue and demand curve faced by the industry as a whole. This question says, firms in the duopoly industry illustrated in the figure have zero fixed costs. If the two firms colluded to maximize their combined economic profits, the market price they would set would be blank and combined economic profits of the firms would be blank. So basically this question is asking us to find the price level that is most efficient for these firms to charge given that they are attempting to collude. So since we know they're trying to collude efficiently, that means they're trying to behave as if they were monopolists. They're both going to be producing goods on their own and independently. However, the price they set will force the industry to behave as a monopolist. So both of them are going to be able to get the most out of what they're producing. So what we're going to do, since they're trying to act like a monopolist, is go off of the industry curves, so MR2 and D2. So now, just like a monopolist, they're going to want to produce where the marginal revenue is equal to marginal costs. We're going to find MR2 and trace to where it intersects MC. We're going to put a point right there. Okay, and if we trace that down, we're going to find the quantity to be Q2. And we need to trace that back up to the demand curve, D2. And then go left to find the price level. Now we found the price level, now they're going to be charging at price level P2. And since we know that the only costs they're facing are marginal costs, we know that everything above the marginal cost line up to P2 to the left of Q2 is going to be profit. So we know this is going to be the profit region. So now we know that the market price they would set would be P2, and the area of their economic profit, their combined economic profit, would be P1, P2, B, and G. So we're going to look at our options. Here we have P2. And given by the area of rectangle bounded by P1, P2, B, and G. As we can see, that is correct, so we go ahead and circle C.